medyo nanipis. Ano yung nanipis? Hi guys, it's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. I have no makeup on because it's already nighttime. It's 7 in the evening and I'm done with my nighttime skincare routine. And tonight, I am going to show you the products na ginamit ko sa aking kilikili, sa aking singit, minsan sa aking elbows and on my knees. These are the products that I'm using to whiten yung mga areas na I want to whiten. Pinadala sa akin ito ng WGE Asia. Sobrang tagalan nila itong pinadala sa akin. Ngayon ko lang na-review kasi nga gusto ko siyang ubusin muna bago ko siya review. I think pinadala nila ito sa akin last December. And look at that, guys. Sobrang konti na lang. Yung natitira na lang na product is yung mga nasa gilid. Yun na lang, guys. So this is like my armpit, my singit, my elbows, and my knee skincare routine. Ganun, guys. Hindi maputi yung kilikili ko, guys. Hindi din siya maitim. Kung ano yung kulay ng skin ko, yun lang din yung kulay ng kilikili ko, guys. And I'm not complaining about it kasi hindi naman ako palaging nagpapakita ng kilikili. Hindi naman ako palaging nakataas ng kamay. Ganon. But minsan kasi may mga times na kailangan natin talagang maputi yung kilikili natin, guys, diba? So, I'm really happy na I have tried this one. Kasi so far, guys, it's working naman. Maybe because I mixed two products. So, etong dalawa yung pinadala nila sa akin. I don't know if you should mix it. Wala naman kasing instructions na binigay nila sa akin. Pero, I mixed these two products. So, this is the Suyun 100% Naturals Whitening Cream. This is a calamansi tawas with collagen and aloe vera plus vitamins A, B3, C, and E. So, this claims to whiten face, underarms, inner thighs, knees, elbows, and everywhere else. This also treats pimples or acne and reduces wrinkles. Hindi ko siya nagamit on my face kasi natatakot ako, guys. Pero I have tried this nung mga cystic pimples ko. Nung nabasa ko kasi na it treats pimple, ginamit ko siya on my pimples. And yes, effective siya, guys, in drying out my pimples. But it's not as effective as a pink powder. But it does treat pimple as well. Pero yung main use ko dito is pampaputi ng aking kilikili and aking singit. Paminsan-minsan lang yung sa elbows and on my knees kapag, if I remember. Pero usually sa kilikili at singit talaga, guys. Kasi why not, diba? Ayan siya, guys. Medyo thick siya. And it's really a cream product, guys. And then what I do is I mix this product to this one. What is this? This is the Suyun Whitening and Brightening AHA Skin Booster Serum Aqua with collagen, vitamins B3 and E. Kasi may directions dito na you can use this as skin whitening or treating wrinkles. So you have to pour this one on your cream or on your moisturizers or any serums. You can add this one, guys. Kasi this is an AHA serum. Yung ginagamit natin sa face. Or you can mix this with the distilled water. Kung gusto nyo gamitin ito as toner, ganon. But sa akin, I mix this here. So, nag-drop lang ako ng konti. As you can see, marami pa siya, guys. And malapit ko na itong maubos. Kasi konti lang talaga yung dinadrop ko. Like 2 to 3 drops. Enough na siya para magiging mas creamy siya. And dahil nga sabi ko, diba kanina, part na siya ng aking nighttime skincare routine. I only apply this at night. And ginagawa ko siyang night and day kapag wala ako sa work. So, kapag wala akong trabaho in the morning, kapag tambay lang ako dito sa bahay, ginagamit ko to day and night. Ganon, guys. So, what I do is, I get product. Ayan. Ito, medyo creamy na siya, guys. Kasi nga, nalagyan ko na siya nito. And, konting-konti lang kasi yung kailangan, guys. Kaya nga, since December ko pa ata ito ginagamit and hindi ko pa siya nauubos. And then, ayan. Tapos, ayan na yung aking kilikili. Ayan, guys, diba? It's not the whitest. What I do is, ganyan lang, guys. Pinapahid ko lang siya dyan. Ayan. May mga folds dyan, guys. So, dahil sa fats. Ayan. O, diba? So, I don't have the whitest kilikili, but it did lighten my kilikili a bit. And also, paminsan-minsan ako mag-wax, guys. I don't shave my kilikili. Dati, nag-shave ako, tapos naging chicken skin siya, tapos nagpa-laser ako ng mga 10 sessions. Naging super-duper thin na yung strands ng hair ko. Pero, andyan pa rin siya, tumutubo pa rin siya. So, I stopped with the laser kasi ang gastos niya. And then, ayun, nagwa-wax na lang ako every now and then. Hindi ako palaging nagwa-wax. Nagwa-wax na ako kapag may lakad. Siguro, maximum na yung twice a month, guys, na mag-wax ako. Usually kasi once a month lang ata eh, ganun. medyo kuminis yung kilikili ko guys, and medyo hindi na siya as in super duper chicken skin. Unlike before, talagang super duper chicken skin. Makinis naman siya and medyo it lightened my underarms a bit. Also, I applied this on my inner thighs and on my like butt area. Yung part ng butt area mo na nalalagyan ng linya ng panty, ganun, nilalagay ko siya doon. Kasi diba, usually kapag very tight yung panties natin, yun yung nakaka-cause na mag-darken yung inner thighs natin. So, ayun, nilalagay ko din siya on my inner thighs. Hindi naman maitim yung butt area ko, guys. Yung parang may linya lang ng panty. Pero yung sa inner thighs ko, yung sa may panty, doon talaga yung medyo hindi ka nais-nais. Pero it did lighten naman. It did help. And also, I don't wear panty na at night when I go to sleep. I always wear boxers or panty shorts. Kasi alam naman natin guys, the tighter your panty is, the more siya na magda-darken ng iyong inner thighs. And then, I also put it dito sa aking elbows. So, that is my elbow. And kapag hindi siya naka-fold, ganyan. Pasensya na guys sa taba ko ha. And then, I do the same thing on my knees. Nag-exercise kasi ako guys, minsan yung plank, nagda-darken siya dito. So every time nagpa-plank ako, ito talaga, nag-apply ako nito. Mag-plank and then when I take a bath, after taking a bath, ito, naglalagay talaga ako. I make sure. Also on my knees, kasi nga may butt and thigh exercises ako guys. And yung knees ko, ginagamit ko. Alam niyo na yung mga butt and thigh exercises, you have to use your knees. So ayun, nalalagyan ko din talaga yung knees ko. Basta, part na siya guys ng aking nighttime skincare routine. Etong dalawang ito. And I'm really happy na I have tried this one. Yung calamansi guys and aloe vera, they're famous in whitening dark spots. Effective siya guys in fairness. So I can highly recommend this one guys. Go to WGE. I'm gonna link them down below. I forgot how much this is, but if you can find this and if you can get your hands on this, get this one and mix both kasi it works better that way. So, ayun lang guys, yung i-share ko sa inyo today. So, that's it guys for my underarm skincare routine, elbows, knees, and inner thigh skincare routine. I hope you learned something from me and I hope you enjoyed this video too. And if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And also click that bell button beside the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I post a new video. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. God bless everyone. Mwah.